YouTube, my name is Ria and welcome to my channel, y'all. Thank y'all for clicking on this video and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Today we're going to be doing my makeup, doing a talk through. That's my baby girl in the background if y'all hear her. You done, sis? You done? Can I talk? Okay. So let's get into this look, sis, because whoo, girl, your girl need a little pick-me-up. So I'm back. I did my eyebrows. Y'all already know how they go. It's 100 videos on YouTube about doing eyebrows, so I don't need to make another one. And yeah, so basically the look I'm going for today, I'm just going for like, I want to do my everyday look. My everyday look is either, honestly, I either wear pink or brown because it's just the colors I always wear. So today I'm gonna do my my everyday brown look when I basically when I go to work look. I'm gonna do that. So let me get this eyeshadow on. Y'all, I know my forehead and my face looking like two different colors, but we gonna fix that. Using this palette first, and my favorite go-to look, you can already see it's already gone, is this color. I'm not sure what this color is, but it's this brown here. So y'all see, y'all know when the palette got a little hole in the color, you know I've been really, I told y'all that's my go-to. I've been digging in it. And y'all already know about the finger. If you haven't watched my last video, y'all already know how I do my eyeshadow with my finger. So please, y'all, spare me, because I already told y'all that yes, I put my eyeshadow on with my finger, like. In the background, baby girl. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Mama making a video. Girl, my lips looking real dry. Real dry. Okay, next we're going to be using this palette. Chocolate palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to be using this color right here. Right here. This dark brown chocolate color. It right here. Another finger. See, I switched fingers. And I have plenty of brushes, like plenty. That's not even all of them, but I have plenty. I just like using my fingers, you guys. So that's what it's looking like so far. I'm looking like a raccoon right now, y'all. I'm giving real raccoon vibes. But next, I'm going into the taupey palette, and I'm gonna be using this color right here. You see, I've been. Okay guys, so I got these lashes on, but I use this color here, right here, to highlight under my eye. Okay guys, so I had to get my baby. She wants to be a part of the video. Say hey. Say hey. Just would not stop talking. So I was like, okay girl, you can be on the video, girl. That's what you want to do. So she just woke up, y'all. Say hey. Okay y'all, so I got my eyes done. Now I'm gonna get into this foundation, y'all. Actually, I'm not even done with my eyes. I lied. I stay lying to y'all. I'm sorry, I be forgetting. I'm just gonna go in with the black eyeliner. Okay. Oh, Avea, girl, what is you doing? Girl, you cannot play with mama's makeup. Not yet, you too young. Honestly, I don't know why I do this now. Because after I put my foundation, I still have to go over it again. Why? I'm just extra, y'all. Let me go wet my sponge. Don't forget to wet your sponge, guys. guys, so I just finished my foundation. I have now it's time to contour because I'm looking like all one color, and put my highlighter on. So what I use to contour my face is the Warriors palette by Juvia's Place. I am going to use this color here. It actually has it. It says Kano. So I'm going to be using the color Kano to highlight. To contour. Foundation that I use Juvia's Place concealer and eyeshadow. So this whole entire video is using a full Juvia's Place. So. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Hyper Real Glow palette by MAC, and I take this color here